Hey guys, JR here from Mountain Extreme, and I know that it appears that I'm just holding on to thin air right now, but there is actually a vehicle behind me. This is going to be what was our hero unit, so it shows you all the accessories that you can possibly add to a vehicle. So we'll start in the front here. I added up the limited wheel and tire combination, so that way you get a little bit more ground clearance. I went ahead and I did the Can-Am 39-inch light bar, I believe that is, with the flush mount roof mounts. I did the tip-out windshield with the wiper kit on this. We did the stick-out fender flares, that way you don't get near as much mud on you as you're riding. I did the kick-out rock sliders, that way it keeps you away from your whatever you're driving up against. Also, it has the footstep that you can get up and into your adventure rack. So if you had gear up there, you can put anything you want to up on top of that. It's a complete mirror of your bed, just up and raised. Works really well if you get your deer, throw your deer in there, then you have your backpack and other things you want to throw. You can put them up top, nice and clean and clear. Come around back, we did the fender flares on the outside on the rear. We have backup lights, that way if you're loading in the nighttime, you can turn those on. Extremely beneficial there. Again, this is the adventure rack, so you can do anything and everything with this rack. Gives you all your bed space down below, and then you have a complete mirrored bed up top, which has a stainless bottom in the bottom, so it will not rust on you. Have a sliding glass rear window if brewer wants to get it in there, so in case you needed to reach into the bed or you had your dogs with you, that does split right open, and then you can go ahead and reach through, so that makes that a really nice feature. Moving on to the inside of this vehicle, as you can see, we have the canvas doors on this thing, so easy to take off in the summertime. We do have the entire 4-speaker Jensen top audio kit in this thing. What I like about this kit is it keeps the limited feel in here with the carpeting up top. That way you're not losing any of the comfort features out of this thing. Again, this is a power windshield, not tip out, but it has the wiper. So there's your wiper controls right there. This unit also has a heater kit installed in it, so that way on those cold winter days when you're out there hunting, you can do that. Also underneath here, we wanted extra storage, so we put the center bin, and then this being an XT model has the passenger seat storage bin as well. So if you wanted everything and anything that you could possibly get in a Defender XT HD10 camouflage, this is the vehicle for you. Stop up to Mountain Extreme Powersports, check her out today.